Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic Buddha terrarium. Okay, so let's begin. What we will need is we will need a planter. Usually people take glass jars or bowls, but I will teach you to use the basic stuff. So what you can do, this is my fruit basket which I am using today to make a terrarium. All right, then I have some plants. Okay, today I will be using all the succulent family plant. All right, try to take those plants which would be of the same family, then it becomes easier to water. Then I have some moss also which I have taken from outside. Then we have some stones for the base, and then I even have the pistachio peel. This also can be replaced with it, or you can mix them and you can use it. Then the soil, and I have some sand. Two color sand is there, and definitely the Buddha statue, and lastly some more big stones to put here and there. So this planter does not have a drainage hole. Okay, so the thumb rule for any planter which does not have a drainage hole, we have to put something at the base. Okay, so that when the excess water goes, you can that will prevent the root rot and the extra water will seep down. So I'm going to put these at the base. I think I can use the whole this thing. Okay, next we will put the soil. Okay, try to put the soil, like first think the design in your head what you will do. With taking one plant and putting it towards the side. We have to make a hole, dig a hole, and then from the sides we have to put this thing, plant. What we will do after setting up this thing, we'll try to put some stones here and there for a better look, and it will even give some support to the plants. And we can put here and there. You can use different kind of stones. All right, always whenever you are done halfway, always try to see how it is looking, that look. If you feel you need to do some changes, you can always do that. All right, then again I'll try to put some more here, and one big stone here for that aesthetic look. And then again I'll put Buddha and see how's the looking. You can always put and see how it looks. Put some more. I feel this hanging ones will look nice, so I'm just trying to use these. So I think this is looking nice. Then I will try to see, it looks nice this way, I feel. Up more decorations, what you can do, you can just water the roots of the plant. All right, just the roots. We know that the succulents are not water loving, so just towards the side we can do that, right? And then again I'm thinking, a desert kind of this thing. Buddha is, so since Buddha is of the same color, I might not use this color. I will try to use a white one. Yeah, and put some here so that Buddha can sit on this. All right. Yeah, and then maybe a bit of this thing here and there for that aesthetic look. Yeah, you can put a bit here and there. Okay, so we can put this thing some here and there. Yeah, right. If you want, you can put a bit here and there. Yeah, to get that look, isn't it? So you just need to put it and you need to press it inside. Yeah, put and just try to press inside. Right, I think this is good enough. Right, and then finally we will take the Buddha. Yeah,